Hey guys, what's up today? Today's another Minecraft video, and today we're back on Central Kid PvP, and I'm joined by
Demon Dolphin.
And last time I got banned, which really sucked.
In his last video, go check it out. He actually got banned, not on camera, but he did actually get banned because the game thought we were teaming.
Nobody was, so
We're not teaming this time.
I'm not going to try. Whoa, nice lag, game. Okay, I'm gonna go through this guy. I'm dead. How you going?
Where are you even? I can't see you.
We rushed area.
Yes!
Oh, how did you get that? Oh, that was powerful. I'm gonna go after these. Oh, no.
Run, dude!
No!
No! I was just about
Oh
to
no!
kill
There's a
you.
guy there.
I was just about to kill you. The power of me. Oh no. No, he's coming up. He's coming up. Oh my god, Run. After me. Die. They're coming up, don't you? No!
No, we can chill. We're friends, right? We're friends. Yep, we're friends, definitely.
Oh my god. That sucked.
Oh no, I'm dead now, aren't I? Hey, is he? There he is. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm so dead.
Oh!
Or not.
You suck.
That's loot. Oh no, that's death, not loot.
That's not you.
Boom. That was so close. You should have seen that. You need to see the clip. Whee! I'm dead.
Yeah, but you were close. Closer. No.
Go, let's go. Oh, fight me, bro. Fight me, bro.
You're doing nothing pretty much. No, just do it.
I'm so dead. I'm like no good at this game, but it's fun. Hey, Diddy. I miss. I suck. Just let me run.
That was really easy.
Okay! He does like 100 damage. I'm gonna die.
Yes!
How did you kill me?
It's because I shot you. With an arrow.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead, Mikey.
Fight!
Who?
Me.
Can you not actually? Please?
Come on. You got away.
Thanks. I literally run into your bullet.
Come on, hit.
No, please.
Hit! Or if you're on one, no.
I want half the heart.
Nah, die.
No.
Die.
That was gonna miss. There's so much loot here.
No! He's dead. You're dead. No. You combat log. You actually combat log. And that's bannable.
Don't worry, I'm gonna put that in the video. Yeah, run the commands.
Damn.
Wait, I don't have any stuff. No. Okay, I got it. Give me. I need the cook. I meant the
cooked
the
salmon. Cooked salmon.
Might as well keep all this.
No, don't kill me, dude. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Uh-oh. Stinky. PvP god here.
What do you mean?
That would be people.
Bread. You've got such good loot. You have a full diamond.
Don't kill me.
I'm helping you.
No, I was trying to help you as well. Damn, I hope YouTube doesn't report us. For
But I didn't know if I hit you or not, so it's not bad.
Nah, you gay bud. Your butt.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh god.
On the mortar, like with like a
No.
sharp and a 5 sword, literally just 2-shot me.
Hey, listen, chat.
You silly Frank. Okay, I'm gonna see when I get another kill. That'll probably not.
Okay, so you're gonna edit it out. Edit this bit out. Don't let him
We're
do-
3 million shrimps. What you gonna shrimps? Ah, my head hurts. No. The hell?
Don't hurt me.
There's a bunch of noobs somewhere here.
Like me.
You wanna keep this house a bit?
Okay, and
Oh, never mind. We're gonna die and we're
start
not
back
gonna
the
win.
video now.
Okay. I'm going in. I'm gonna kill in like 2 years. Just kidding.
He's been on for 2 hours, no joke.
That's hours, right? Okay. Okay. Can I pick up these potions? This game's rigged. No, I'm kidding. It's not. This game's awesome.
You should play, guys, with us.
Yeah, you're probably gonna beat me. These
Comment
legit.
down in the section
No
when
way.
you want us to play with you. No, I'm kidding.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I
Even
saw
that
you.
strong.
I saw you in the corner of my screen. I'm like, I'm dead. If you guys saw that, that was so scary.
Damn.
Oh no! Oh no! Please! No! Please! Please! I have so much to live. What are you doing? Oh no! Speak English. No, I'm kidding. Dude, are you okay? Like, you don't sound that good. Oh, bro, you wanna fight? Are you actually
he
wanna
does.
fight? No, I'm dead.
Oh,
I'm so dead now. Did you shoot me or something? I've like strength. Okay, okay, I got some other stuff. That's a terrible way to start. Oh, that's all here. Yikes. This, put it in here. Dude. This is Marlo. Stop shooting
Do
me!
you really think you're gonna win? Yeah, you probably will. You're dead now.
I'm so dead. Oh no, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm definitely. Yeah, I'm dead. I am gone. This guy's after me, and I'm like burning to death. Yeah, yeah. Ah. Scratch that. Ree. Oh no, he saw me. I'm so dead. He's still after me. Oh no, he's still after me. Oh no, what have I done? Yep. Damn it. Okay. Last. I'm gonna die twice now. I'm just trying to help, and this ain't gonna go very well, but like, I'll try and I'll get nothing. Yeah. Did you kill me? Okay, last death, and then we're ending the video. Can you like stop camping up there?
Last battle between me and you. Come on. Come
Fine.
on. Final battle.
I hit a bullet. I hit someone's. That's cheating. Someone hit me.
Okay. Let's fight on that little camping area I was on.
No, I miss.
Great. Okay. We'll just edit this bit out where he's missed, and we'll just get to the bit where
Oh no.
it actually happens.
Oh no, someone just passed me.
Okay, just
I'm
died.
scared.
We're editing this bit out. What is this kid doing? Okay, good. He's actually killed
I
you.
almost killed you.
Now go there, come on! Just kill yourself. So we can actually do this.
I'm putting like 10 arrows in him.
Come on, dude, come on.
Oh
No, that sucks.
no. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here.
Dude, come on, Mark.
I'm ending it. I made this.
No, dude, wait. Come on, Mark, final
No.
finale. Yes,
No.
yes, come on, dude.
Fine. I'm definitely editing it out.
Okay, it's happening, guys. Oh no. Okay, don't worry. I'm getting to it. Just stay there. I'll be there very, very soon.
Oh yeah, I see. I'm great. I've been shot at. This is.
Let's go.
Get down. This guy keeps shooting me. It's not fair.
No, we'll still die.
Oh, someone else killed
And
me.
that's the end of the video, guys. Goodbye.
No, I'm doing it. Okay, guys. See you.
Bye. No.
Yeah, I messed up. Whoops.
Don't.